beautiful. You're perfect just like you are.
Hey guys, in today's video we're gonna be making some carrot juice. So let me go ahead and tell you guys the ingredients first. So we're gonna need some carrot, some ground cinnamon, some vanilla extract, some condensed milk, some brown sugar. If you do, or if you can find nutmeg, that will be perfect. And I'm also going to be adding some ginger, so some organic ginger. So you're gonna see throughout the video that I'm going to be putting in the organic ginger. So just continue watching. So let me just introduce myself to you guys. My name is Georgia. On this channel I do hair, nursing, cooking videos, vlogs, everything that I find interesting, or anything that I find interesting at the time. That's what you guys are going to see. You're gonna see a little bit of my life. So if you guys like this video, make sure you guys go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you guys go ahead, subscribe, and also leave a comment down below. So right now I'm just washing the carrots, and then I cut both sides off the carrot. As you can see, I cut both sides, I scraped it, and then I cut it up in smaller pieces so it would be easier to blend it in the grater or in the blender, right? And so that's what I'm going to be doing throughout the process. Just cut both sides, and then like scrape it so you can take off the excess, like the dirt and stuff, and then cut it up in smaller pieces. So this is how it looks when it's finished. Basically, when you finish cutting up and stuff like that, you see it look really clean. So I'm gonna just add it to my blender, add some water, add my ginger, um and then I'm gonna just blend it up. you know I'm gonna be showing you the ginger shortly, because I totally forgot to put it in the video at the time. But then, like, as I'm going to start blending it, I thought about it. Oh, and if you guys do have, so that's the ginger that I'm gonna be using. With my ginger, I don't like to like scrape it. I just like washing it off and putting it in the thing to blend, because I like that earthy taste. So as I was saying, if you guys like the video, go ahead and make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and also leave a comment down below. This is a really good juice. Like, I remember I used to drink it on Sundays, like with Sunday dinner. You can drink it with Sunday dinners. I know Christmas is coming up, so this is a perfect juice for Christmas. And also, like, once you make this juice and stuff, you can also put malta in it, and it will give it like an eggnog taste, kind of. So yeah, so I'm gonna be doing this throughout. So you just want to blend it, and then after you finish blending it, you want to just go ahead and strain it. And if you guys are interested in food videos, I do have a food playlist. You guys can go ahead and watch it. I have several playlists. I have a food playlist, I have a hair playlist. So if you like watching like hair installation, or how to find like cheap hair and stuff like that, I do have like an Amazon playlist that I do big installations. And also I have a nursing playlist. I am a psychiatric nurse, so you guys can go ahead and watch those videos. I talk about like psychiatric nurse, um basically how I got my first travel assignment with no experience as a new graduate. So you guys can go ahead and watch that. But this is how it looks. Yeah, and I'm just training it right now. I'm not home, so I do not have the proper equipment. As you can see, the strainer is very small, but we're just using what we have right now. Yes, and we just want to do that. Yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying this video. But as I said, this juice is good for like if you want to do like Sunday dinners. I normally have it on Sunday dinners and also Christmas and Thanksgiving. This juice will be good for Thanksgiving too. If you add like Malta in it or dragon stout in it, it's really good. So right here I finished straining everything, and then I put back the juice in the blender. So now I'm gonna re-strain it, as you can see right here, to make sure that I get rid of all of the, you know, all of the excess trash, or that's what we say in Jamaica, excess trash or the excess carrots. Okay, unwanted carrots. Other things that we have, so this is the ground cinnamon. If you have a nutmeg is really good. I like nutmeg in it. So get ground cinnamon and my vanilla extract. I like using a lot of vanilla extract, so that's why I put a whole bottle in it. And like the carrot juice, it tastes good the first day, but the second day I'm telling you, it tastes so good. like like if you're going to make it for Thanksgiving or for Christmas, you want to make it the day before Thanksgiving, so you know everything it just, you know, it just tastes really good. You know, if you know what I'm talking about, comment down below. Like carrot juice never tastes good. Like it tastes good on the first day, but on the second day it tastes really good. Yes. But yeah, I'm putting in my condensed milk. The condensed milk here, it's not sweet, so it's like you have to put in a whole condensed milk and then you gotta put sugar in it. Because the condensed milk in America is not sweet at all. It's like you have to pour a whole condensed milk. Remember when growing up, you could put a little bit of condensed milk in things and it would be like extra sweet, but I don't know, they water it down or something. I don't know what's going on, but yeah. So this is how it looks. You just want to just stir that, and then what I normally do is, after I do that, I take off the excess cinnamon from the top, or if I put nutmeg in it, I take off the excess nutmeg at the top. So you see how much nutmeg is right there, not nutmeg, but you see how much cinnamon is like at the top, circled at the top. You want to just take that off, you know. And I'm just stirring it to make sure that all the milk at the bottom, you know, it's dissolved and everything is well proportionate. I'm so tired, guys. It's like 6 o'clock in the morning. I haven't gone to bed, but and then you want to put some sugar. I did taste it, so it wasn't sweet, and then the sugar that I'm putting in it is not even that much sugar. It's cane sugar. And then you want to just put the sugar in it, but you don't want to put too much sugar in it. You want to make sure that you test it before you put sugar in it. Like you can put a sugar in it, but make sure you test it to know you put the right amount of sugar in it. You don't want it to be too sweet. You just want it to be perfect, you know. So yes. So in the next clip, I'm gonna be showing you guys like I'm gonna be removing the excess. You're gonna see me removing the excess from here. I'm just gonna taste it. So yeah. And it tastes so good. Yeah. You guys have to try this. If you guys don't try it for Christmas, if you guys don't try it for Thanksgiving, make sure you try it for Christmas. Or listen, you gotta try it before that. Let's try it this Sunday. Let's try it this Sunday. I know you guys are going to enjoy it. So this is how it looks. Yeah. And this is how the final carrot juice look. I'm just throwing it out so you can see it have a nice rich color. It tastes really good. As I said before, it tastes better when you leave it in the fridge for overnight. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll